This is Haley True with Diamond McNabb. I am here to give you a quick video tutorial on bidder registration and on the bidding process online for this weekend. So once again, this is for our fall sale, which is coming up online only September 17th through the 19th. And there are just a couple steps that you'll need to have in order to be ready to bid when the bidding all opens. So let's get started. Step number one will be come to our website, dmhorses.com. And here under the Horses tab, you're going to click the button that says Bid Online. That will take you over to the bidding platform itself, where all of the activity will be this weekend. And once you're there, the first step for you is going to be click this brown button that says Register to Bid. Okay, so this is going to take you to the login area. If you are not already a member of the site, you'll need to come down here and click the button for Sign Up Now. So we'll go ahead and do that. I'll put in my name and then a valid email address where you want to receive notifications. And then you will just need to create a password, whichever one works for you. Okay, and then I'm not going to click through them here in the video, but please do go through the general terms and conditions of the sale, terms of use, and the privacy policy. You'll need to click this box in order to proceed forward in the system. So once that's all set, you'll go ahead and hit sign up. And now you'll notice up here in the right-hand corner, it recognizes who I am and that I'm a member of the system. So that's great. Now you're part of the auction website, but you still need to go ahead and register to bid. The way that you can verify whether or not you're registered to bid is you'll look up here. If you're logged in, you know it recognizes you as you. And then down here, you can see where it says not registered. That's the part that you're going to check. It will either say not registered, registration pending, or registered to bid. So since I'm clearly not registered, I'm going to come here and click this register to bid button. This will take you to the actual bidder registration portion of the website. So it's very simple, very straightforward. You're just going to go through and fill out your information. You'll need a good phone number for us to reach you out in case there are any questions that we have in the sign-up process. The shipping address is, it will be used for the health paperwork of the horses if you win one in the bidding process. So please do use your actual physical address. I'll go ahead and put in our ranch address here. And then, of course, the state. And then the next thing that you're going to do on here is put in your credit card number. This is not going to lock you into paying for a horse with a credit card. It's simply going to charge $1 out of your account and then refund that $1 back to your account in order to verify that it is a valid credit card number and it's not going to get us into any trouble with scam. Once all of your credit card information is entered, you'll scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll need to click these buttons that you've read and agree to, the terms and conditions of the sale, and then of course the privacy policy and the general terms of use, and that you're 18 years of age or older. So once everything is filled out and all your boxes are checked, you can go ahead and click register. Internet's a little bit slow today. Okay, so everything's been submitted and you are now just waiting for everything to be received and confirmed. So at this point, you cannot bid yet. You have to wait until your registration has been approved. You can keep track of that up here in the right-hand corner. It will tell you whether you're still pending or if you've been approved and confirmed to bid. So at this point, you're just going to wait for a confirmation email to show up in your inbox telling you that your registration has been received, cleared, and that you're okay to go ahead and bid. So let's hop over real quick and I'll show you what that confirmation email looks like. Over here in my inbox, this is what the approval email is going to look like. It'll be titled From Auction Notification. When you click on it, it should tell you that you are approved to bid. So go ahead and click the link in there. It will say click here to start bidding. Do keep in mind the bidding won't actually open until the 17th, but you are going to want to click that link so that you can go double check that everything is set in the software. To double check that everything is correct, you're going to make sure that you're logged in, which I am, and at this point it should tell you that you're registered and give you a paddle number, which is your bidder's number. If it still says registration pending, go ahead up here to the top, click log out, and then log yourself back in, and that should give the system the refresh it needs to get you to this point. So that's all you have to do to get registered. It's pretty straightforward, but if you get stuck anywhere along the way or have questions, feel free to give us a call. Once again, those phone numbers are on our website. And on Facebook, you can also send us an email and we'd be glad to help you however we can. I'm going to make a second video for the bidding system itself, so feel free to tune into that if you would like to. And otherwise, we will see you this weekend.